Bali, tumawag si Boss Giovanni, meron daw client na quick job. Mga ganun, kailangan natin i-entertain kahit maliit. Mamaya natin pupuntahan yung isang client na pina-project na bako. Yan. Ayan, bali, ito ay forward. Ang problema ay may tagas ng preno sa huli. Regular customer, kaya kailangan entertain din natin kahit na konti ang kita. Pero at least meron tayong panggastos sa araw-araw kasi sa mga big project at mga bako ay kontrata yun eh, kaya matagal ang bayad. Kaya check natin itong mga ganito dahil mga regular client naman at saka madali lang naman, siguro matuwawas.
No love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative.
Ali, katatapos na namin itong forward ay mga 2 oras din niya. May tumawag na magpapresyo na dump truck na hindi ako makakargang hangin sa may crusher sa Antipolo. Kaya aming pupuntahan.
When you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks.
Nakaka siya. Pero pag ganyan mo ang kambyo, hanggang sa mag-6 na mo. Napasok siya. Pero ang kambyo na hindi mo pasok. Ang ano na may high. Ang high ang kambyo. Wala. May hangin mo siya. Pero pag igalaw-galaw mo yung kung sa sinigalaw, pag ganun.
And that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't.
Then guys, sagyan na nga kami nakapasok dito sa loob kasi may fit. Pinero pa kami ng test at sapatos ng Doritos. Ito na stock. Ang problema nga pala ay ito. Ang kanyang shifter na high and low. Ito siya natin. Pinauli. Ang problema ay ito. Kumalas yung kanyang flexibility. Flexibility ng ano. Sabihin, napapabili ako ng mighty band at saka epoxy steel. Kasi kailangan may fix natin tulit ng top. Ganyan. Kasi pag ginaya natin ganyan, wala. Hindi gana yan, no? Ay sabi ni boss, tumawag si Boss Giovanni. Kung ikaw pumunta raw sa rally ka ng epoxy steel.
Hindi, sulat mo.
So yan, relax muna kami. Nabili pa ng pinabibili ko. JP Mechanic 2024, message na kayo or meron akong number sa aking page. Tawag na kayo doon or chat, time, available, anytime. Driver na lang kaya ako. Hirap yun, Mechanic. Ay, tarap yung kita namin ng 2,000. Ako 2,000 sa araw.
Know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me.
Bali, bumalik ulit kami dito kay Boss Jovan at meron na namang isang client pa. Ayan, isang forward pa din. Meron pagagawa sa may makina. Check namin. Bali, malubay na yung kanyang radiator fan. Ito kasi ay tawag dito, thermostatic fan. Kailangan magdagdag na silicone oil.
This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from.
Sa ganitong scenario, ay madali lang ang magsali ng silicone oil. Ang mahirap ay magbaklas ng mga fan at saka itong mga cover.
The chains that last and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the
Sabay natin ang cable ng video nitong kay Boss Jovan. Matigas, ang hirap.
I'm taking off in the wind, I gotta make it.
Ano yung PTO,ilipat natin sa taas. video na to kasi ang hirap ilubog ay angat madali. Dilipat natin dito para mas magandang hilahin.
And every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through.
Ayan, nagdumi ka.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no